it. Will I regret it? I don't know. Move, get the fuck back. I'm really gonna be in a movie like that. I don't know if it's gonna be a Disney movie, but I love musicals. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm glad I look cute. I look so good. Like, yes. 8.
While I'm young,
hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Oh, my eye itch so bad. It's been itching for like the past month at this point. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post bell notification. Yeah, I'm dropping videos, okay? I'm back. But right now I'm watching Summer Walking Carousel on Carousel, please. This is a good episode, y'all. This is a good episode. I am starting a weekend vlog. Today is Thursday. We are leaving to the city. Oh my gosh, my lens ain't even open all the way. It's cause, oh my gosh, bro, like, stressful. Her birthday, somebody put coconut water in a box or something, and my camera was in that box already, and now my lens just weird. Thank God that my camera still works, you feel me? That's all I really care about. Maybe I could clean inside today or somehow, I don't know. But back to the point, the matter at hand. We are going to the city this weekend. We are going to see the Little Mermaid, and I'm vlogging absolutely everything. It's gonna be a very fun week. Right now I'm getting our outfits together. If you know, we coordinate all the time. Please excuse the mess. Like, I'm trying to rip this room apart for this skirt that I'm looking for, but at this point, I'm gonna hold that outfit. But I'm gonna show y'all our outfits that I got together once I'm done, okay? Right now I'm coordinating. This is our, both our stuff. I got that. Right here, I got us an outfit, a coming home outfit, and blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna get it together, and I'm gonna be back with y'all. Good. It's afternoon right now, but I've been up for mad long, so yeah. I was gonna pick y'all up, but I was like, damn, y'all all the way upstairs, and I was already downstairs, so it was, let me turn this off. Please don't mind the background. Oh my gosh, this whole room is just like, it's honestly stressing me out. It's stressing me out. But I don't have time to address it right now. I have to pack so we can go. We're not going now. She's gonna take a nap and stuff, and then I'm gonna continue to get myself ready, and then when she get up, I get her ready, then we're gonna dip. You feel better? Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah, so I'm about to make sure our outfits are together. We got all our outfits, like, for the 20 million gazillion time. And I'm so pissed I can't find this skirt. Like, therefore we will have to wait for that outfit. You need some milk? You probably need some milk. Hold up, y'all. Okay, like I was saying, I don't even know what I was saying at this point. This morning, what I do? I painted my nails clear. I painted my toes clear. Because I was tired of walking around with janky nails and toes. And I kind of want to put on sandals. That would be the easiest thing to go with every outfit. So I don't have to keep switching my shoes. Because I'm tired of carrying a lot of stuff to the city. You feel me? I'm over it. So I'm trying to make at least like 2 pair of shoes. That's it. Because I usually do like 3. But I'm not even staying that long. I wear the same jewelry every time I go. I don't switch it up. I got a retwist, if you can't tell. Got a retwist last night. Shout out to my mother. I'm still gonna put her in a ponytail, but you know, now the roots look better. Yeah, I did my toes and nails clear. Oh yeah, I combed out some of the ends of my locks. You can see. Yeah, I like the curls at the end. I'm tempted to comb them all out at the end. Every last one of them. I combed out like 4 of them. But I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, I honestly think I may. It was a lot of work. Not a lot of work. It was just, I lost mad hair. Yeah, I honestly think I may. You see this one in the front right there. I like my curl. I kind of want to comb half of it out. Half lock, half curl. But we'll see. we'll see what I'll do, honestly, because it's a lot of work. I mean, I could take my time. I could do day by day. Honestly, I think I might for the summer. That's gonna be a vibe. But yeah, I'm gonna have to give her a nap in a little bit, and then I'm gonna get back to packing, and then we're gonna get back with y'all. This was 4 minutes of what the, yeah, I'm gonna be back. It is now like 5 p.m. and we're ready. We're ready. I mean, we could have been ready earlier. Tell me what her father was saying at home the whole time. I thought he out, he working. No, he's been at home. We could have been left, y'all. Been left. I was giving him time so we could be around the same time. Now we about to leave mad late. You know, but it's okay. I hope I packed everything. It'd be like that. That's why I can't stand leaving the house. Like, I can't stand leaving my comfort, because like, do I have everything? Oh, I wasn't even pointing. But yeah, say them, ooh, tip for packing, say them Shein bags. Say them Shein bags. I put each of our day's outfits in a Shein bag, and it consolidated everything and made so much more space. It saved the planet, because I kept the plastic. I didn't just toss it. But yeah, say them bags. I have on this Texas sweater. I think yeah, this was in one of my hauls. I'm like, did y'all see me wear it? And I got on these mom shorts. Mad cute, forever. And I'm gonna wear, they was on the bed, yeah, because they knew I didn't wear them yet. But I got these Jesus sandals. That's what I'm wearing. And baby girl, don't mind the bed, because I don't, we going through a lot right now. I'm honestly not gonna fix it because, yeah, I tinky. And she got on her all yellow to match the yellow in me. We always coordinate, y'all. Always. Oh my gosh. Hi. You saying hi? Hi, guys. All that drool. I need to put a bit more on you. Hi. Aw, you so sweet. You so sweet. But yeah, we're ready to go. I'm waiting for my, oh, she got the stroller anyway. Where was I going? I told her I wasn't going to wait, but where was I going without the stroller in the car? Duh, I had no choice. I can't take that oil, but hopefully your cream work. I don't need to oil her hair again. That cream should be good enough to get your girls popping. She will not wear a headband, y'all. She won't, and I'm not mad at it. It probably suffocate her hair. It probably make her feel uncomfortable. But gosh dang, it probably make her feel uncomfortable, so you know, I'm not gonna force it. My baby look good. And yeah, I'm gonna put some socks on her, set up her stroller and stuff. I got all this hey y'all, I'm back here. Okay, Jai. Sorry, she ain't like that how I call her name. But dang, yeah, I got my camera. I got the chargers for both of the camera because I want to take some pictures with the big camera. Follow her Instagram, y'all. She got an Instagram now. I wasn't going to do it, but I did it. I did it. Will I regret it? I don't know. I don't regret anything, but oh my gosh. But yeah, I did it. So follow her Instagram, Jael the Goddess, period. Stop, don't do that. You're gonna break the screen. This camera, you know, barely doing what it's supposed to be doing. But Jael the Goddess, and my Instagram is more Mikael, please. 2 S's at the end. Well, PLSS. You're mad silly. I'm taking pictures of her at the movie theater. Hopefully this works out, as I'm not gonna force nothing. I'm not gonna force anything. I'm going with the flow, because I will stress myself out trying to force stuff or trying to plan everything to a T. You're like she's going on camera. It's just her curls. Her curls are so tight. Thank you. Y'all remember we used to do Man Crush Mondays? Oh my gosh, how embarrassing. How the embarrassing. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in a second. We left the house and we about to get on the lay road.
Silver Lake. This is the train to Penn Station. You must have a ticket to ride this train.
people coming by. Fucking around with y'all. I missed my stop. Now I gotta stay on a few more stops. But it's the same way, all the same direction. It was just to put me on the next train quicker, but it's whatever. You with me? You with me? Alright, alright. Thank you, you too. Okay, okay. She do. You can sit her up. Rise and shine, sleepyhead. We in the city. We made it to Harlem, and I'm gonna get back with y'all tomorrow. I'm not taking y'all inside with me because we about to be laid out. I know I'm tired. Oh no, she about to be up. She just took that long nap, but I'm about to be laid out for sure. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Woke my baby up. For real. No, the seasoning for sure. To the right, right? Want to put something underneath? I see. Cause why you want to do like that? I don't ruin my moment. Sorry. No, I'm about to keep walking.
Wait, how about you show it on camera?
Y'all, we got us some slutty vegan because we the biggest sluts in Harlem. Right? Looking like he bought the store out.
Don't put me out there like that.
Oh, sorry. I didn't even say hi to them. Hold on, and it looked dark. I didn't even properly say hi. We are back. It is Saturday, and today was just a food and hangout day. Right now, we just left Slutty Vegan. Oh my gosh. Okay. We just left Slutty Vegan, and now we about to go to the corner store, get a drink, go sit in the park, and eat our little lunch. Yeah. I'm gonna get y'all some city footage on the way back. Oh, it's closed. Oh, never mind. Damn, he heard me. It made him mad. It was. Yeah, me neither. Oh snap! The light. We catching it. Uh oh. Whose world is this? I'm
still trying to figure out why it was cheaper.
I have no idea.
I'm trying to put that together. Like
31. I need 24. You still young yourself.
You don't want to like it?
No, she didn't do.
Simply, or what you want? Isn't everything in here? Huh?
Don't mind.
Ooh, I'm wrong if I do a color lakai. I'm be okay. What if I just start breaking out? Ooh, why would you do that? That look good. I'm just thinking how I'm gonna close this.
I was just looking at it, whatever this is. Get it.
What's the difference? Oh, they the same thing?
Yeah, but this one just looks like it's more.
I want the kiwi strawberry of that. Ooh, I almost cheated with Cola Lakai. Y'all, that's the only time. Yeah, okay. Let me get my baby. Before I go crazy. You're not welcome anymore. Move, get the fuck back. He's who? No, you're not. Get the fuck back. Move. You're not welcome anymore. Okay. It's a beautiful job, baby. It's time to see the Little Mermaid. Yeah. It's the details. Yeah, you see it. You see it. Yeah, in your shirt. Hello? 15 minutes, she'll be there. Girl, that's not that long. You complain about every number. She ain't say no in 15 minutes. You just said that because that's the number I said. 15, I'm about to tell, my mom's on her way. Tell her she'll be there shortly. Yeah. Dang.
I think it's
This stop is Broadway and West 65th Street. Columbus Circle and 8th Avenue. Transfers available to the 1A, C, and D.
It's okay.
just want to talk about. Only thing about this, since we didn't walk the number blocks, the stroller fit to go through the car.
Yeah. That's all terrain, baby, right there.
Yeah, that's right there. It merges together.
For real. Can y'all see me? Probably not. But Little Mermaid was absolutely amazing. Loved it. Holly, you did that. She was so beautiful. The voice, amazing. I too, I hate to say it, but I do ship her and the Prince Man. The Prince Man. I ship them. Cause baby. Now we're looking for a carousel to put y'all on the carousel for the first time. We outside.
Alright, so let's see if this.
We outside. Oh, my knee almost gave out. It's such a beautiful day. I'm definitely bringing Nora back. This park right here is amazing. And you know my girl lives for parks. Ooh, I wasn't even on me. You know my girl lives for parks. But yeah. Oh, during the movie, I was cutting up a little bit. A little cry. Then I eventually, we walked out, came back in, put her on the boob. She went to sleep. And I got to enjoy the movie. I love that. I really want to be in a movie like that. I'm really gonna be in a movie like that. I don't know if it's gonna be a Disney movie, but I love musicals. I'm not gonna hold y'all. Not too much singy, but you know, just the right amount. Not LeBron James. LeBron James.
Yeah, that's who you like.
It's not even him. Oh my gosh. Whoa, buddy.
Make sure you edit that out.
Pause, no? Ha. And I'm not.
You said.
Yo, I look so fucking good. I look like somebody foreign ass mother. Y'all don't want to see me, right? Y'all want to see what I'm looking at. Or maybe y'all do. Okay, I'll show y'all. It is. Y'all want me to ask him? Excuse me. Not you. Excuse me. You know what a carousel is? Keep going. Thank y'all. Oh, I see it. That's mad though. It do look crowded. Head up, head up. Ooh, y'all wanna see? I mean, talk about beautiful. I love the aesthetic of the city. The chaos, not so much. All right, let's do this so we can eat, cause we ain't eat. I'm coming back to me. We ain't eat all day, honestly. But the sun is giving me my energy. The sun is definitely powering me. That's gonna be us. Thank you. No, don't grab the camera. You gotta grab this. No, you cannot get the camera. Yay! Look at your horse. What's your horse name? Snow? Name her Snow. Okay, okay. Walk during it? Look, you ain't a pro. This is your first time.
Walking in here. See, that's how I know you can walk. You be fronting. Yeah, you be fronting. I know.
You would want this camera. You want to record it? It's the other way. You like it.
I don't have all the food. Wait, fix that. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Don't put your face on it. Go to everybody.
Wait a minute. Yeah.
Oh. Thank you. Good job. Why didn't anyone come through the door? I don't know. Okay, thank you.
Don't say no.
I won't. You got my word.
I got you too. Everybody come. Come on.
Everybody cool.
A free for all.
It's the same to you. It's so
You know what day? I shot myself. I didn't kill the deputy. Hey, let me tell you, I was watching documentary last night. I'll give it to you. Oh, you're good looking. Oh, oh my God. Good looking. Hey, so where you want to go? Up or downtown?
Oh, we're going uptown. But this is the
elevator right there, yeah.
Oh, you're going to take the carriage.
Yeah. Tiki. Oh
You know
God.
what was it? Hey, Master P, he's the real deal.
He know that. He know. He know.
Master P is the real deal. You heard it here first.
Excuse me. You know what the real one is? Dr. Dre.
Dr. Dre.
He's behind. Who's that rapper, the white rapper? Shit. How is a white rapper best in rapping? What the fuck?
He wish.
I apologize. Hey, happy Father's Day, boy.
thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
you remind me of Snoop Dogg.
Oh God.
I believe you.
Hey,
I believe
Snoop
you.
Dogg with a little bit of change. Hey, I'll catch you later.
All right now.
I ain't like.
I to run on the elevator.
Yeah, I ain't wanna. You big ass shirt.
Word my shirt.
Oh my God. He said it's a free fall. Everybody come through. He told me don't tell nobody, then started yelling. Everybody come through. I'm like, all right, well you did it.
Nah, you know what he wanted to say. I think I'm thinking, right?
Uptown.
Yeah, I mean we can't go nowhere else.
Yeah, this
we
us.
can't go nowhere else, Mom. We can't go nowhere else.
I was supposed to.
Gotta get
Oh
off.
shit. I'm waiting for them.
You sleepy, my baby. Riddle me this. Tell me why, y'all. Well, welcome to it's Tuesday and we're trying to get home. But let me tell y'all, we done got, let me get better lighting. We done got, not lost, we missed our stop because my baby daddy said the wrong name. Accident, you know, most likely by accident. He said the wrong name of the train station. So we waiting for the stop. The next stop, we done passed it. So we had to get on another train, turn it around. Then I'm thinking I'm being slick by getting on another train to get me closer to my destination instead of just walking the 8 minutes. Now I gotta walk 11 minutes and I gotta figure out which direction I'm going in. But like let me tell y'all, every train station is not wheelchair accessible. Therefore, you gotta keep playing or bouncing around, especially with a stroller. I'm not picking this up and don't nobody feel like helping me, you know, with all of this stuff on here. So, you know, I'm just gonna find a train station that works for us. So we just been going in circles. It's about to be 7 o'clock. I'm getting pissed. Kinda gotta pee. Kinda thirsty. People looking at me, but whatever. Look at me, not even dressed for the weather, but it's hot because I'm moving around so much. Y'all, I'm over it. I'm over it. We're about to walk to the train station, the correct one, which I should have done 2 stations ago, for real, but I didn't. This one getting restless, y'all. Screaming at me, a little. But it's whatever. I'm gonna get this right. I'm gonna get this right. Let me see where I'm going right now. Give me a second. I think I gotta go towards the park. Yeah, I think so. I'm glad I look cute. I look so good. Like, yes. 8. All right, let me get to walking. And I'm gonna pull y'all back up later. Y'all want a little scenery? I might as well. It's very discriminatory that it's not wheelchair accessibility at every station, but I digress. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. So I could get home, relax. What a want. Sorry, my boo. You okay? Where do I want at? Hopefully I'm even going in the right direction. Let's see, let's see. You okay? I think I am. I'm gonna pull y'all back up when I figure out what I'm doing. Girl, how the fuck I end up by the pool? Y'all know New York is like my second home, I guess. Most visited place. I live in Jersey. So like, if you get it, you get it. If you understand, you understand. How the hell did I end up by the pool? I don't think I ever been to the damn pool. So how the hell I'm here right now beats me. It beats me. I mean, I feel like y'all done had enough New York scenery. How many times I'm gonna do this shit, for real? These people walking slow as shit. I'm trying to get home. All right, y'all, I gotta dip and dive. I'm gonna hit y'all later. They redid the fuck out of the World Trade Center little plaza thing. Who would have thought this would have ended up being a mall? And the walk wasn't even that bad. Really like 5 minutes. I'm hot, I'm hungry. We about to go downstairs.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
We made it to our final train. After this is the light rail. And when I tell you never again, never again. Don't take nobody's directions, okay? I'm gonna just look it up like I used to. I mean, but now I know. I wasn't paying attention before. Sometimes I just go, but now I get it. You want your baby? You was reaching for her. You mad close. Let me back you up. You do not want to be wearing no glasses. You want your baby or not? Oh my gosh. Stop hitting my granddaughter. Oh my gosh. Caught in 4K. To my granddaughter though? She did nothing to you. Yeah, baby. Why you throwing her? Okay, say mwah.
Passengers are reminded to offer your seat to the disabled, elderly, or pregnant riders.
Yeah, be nice.
The law requires you give seats designated priority seating to disabled riders.
But we made it nonetheless. That's the moral of the story. And we're going home. Alright? We'll hit y'all when we get in the house. We got one more the light rail, which is from North Penn to where I live. Then we gotta walk a little.